I'm Mr and this is my entry for Prusa contest. So the rules are pretty simple. You just need to create a remix of the model below and attach a photo of your new creation. Check the video for all the info of how these were created and enter as many times with as many designs as you can. So the contest ends in 18 hours and 49 minutes and I need to edit the video and upload all the files and make some pictures. Let's get going. I watched the video by 3D Printing Nerd and I decided to modify Mr PrintIt. In my opinion, this model has the biggest potential of remixing it. Every superhero needs a few things. A cool weapon, some way of hiding its identity, a cape, and the most important thing is a superhero pose. I think that the original pose looks kinda like a mannequin in a shop or something similar. Yeah. Let's use Blender and rig this superhero and try to make it a little bit more 3D printing friendly. The next thing for our superhero is a weapon, and there is not a better weapon than a big gun. I went to the Jay's 1969 profile. You can find there everything you need. So I just searched for a big gun, downloaded the model, and to make it a little bit more 3D printing theme-like, I added a nozzle at the end. There is only one thing better than a big gun, two guns. On the other hand, there is this cool revolver. And I think that it suits our pose quite nicely. The very important thing for every superhero is a way to hide his identity. So I went again to the Jay's 1969 profile and searched for a cool mask. And I think that there is no cooler mask than a Jason mask, so let's add it to the model. Unfortunately, the mask did not print correctly, so yeah, this is how it looks now. But the mask should be right on his face. I need to fix the model, but there is no time. And the last thing that every superhero needs is quite obvious. It is a cape. Every superhero must wear a cape. This is like a law, I think. The coolest thing in Blender is to create a cape. This is so satisfying, this is so cool. And this is how it turned out. I'm really pleased with the cape. It looks fantastic. And here I am, 20 hours before the deadline, removing the supports of the ready print. Be sure to wear eye protection. I removed all the supports, but as you can see, Mr PrintIt is missing a few features like fingers, guns and a mask. But the cape looks great. Now I can clean this mess and use CA glue to put it together again. Okay, there are only like 16 hours left to the end of the contest, so I really need to get going. I will use a kicker to make things faster. After gluing all the fingers that I found, and the gun, and the big gun, and this finger, and the arm, I'm really happy with the results. I did not use a very detailed profile to print it because otherwise I would not have enough time to take a part in this competition. There are a few hours left to the end of the contest and I need to edit the video, make some photos and upload the files. So be sure to check my other videos and see you next time. Oh, and there is also another thing that every superhero needs: a song. But that would be an overkill.